Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cross earrings available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have PAVOI Cross Earring. This mini cross earrings are crafted from AA quality cubic zirconia stones set in 925 sterling silver and are rhodium plated. Each cross earring is nickel free and guaranteed to be hypoallergenic. This unique and heartfelt product is beautifully packaged and ready for giving. It is great gifts for mom or grandma on Mother's Day, anniversary, birthday or wedding celebration. At number 6 we have TXPFF Cross Earring. It is made from hypoallergenic surgical grade 316-liter stainless steel for long life. It does not contain lead and nickel resistance to acid, alkali resistant, anti-fading, hard and bright. This hand-polished surface and smooth edges is comfortable wear and great electroplating process, long-lasting color retention. The stainless steel earring is simply designed cross pendant, add more charm to your outfits. At number 5 we have HANFLY Cross Earring. This jewelry from high-quality 925 sterling silver comes with handcrafted. This jewelry is minimal and made for everyday wear. Each of jewelry is handcraft polishing and will be quality inspect strictly. At number 4 we have Lucky Cross Earring. This two-tone earrings featuring hammered hoops and antique brass cross pendants with sparkling crystals. At number 3 we have Cross Earring. This crossed angle earrings with infinite love, vitality, infinite possibilities that maintain an infinite connection with Jesus. This infinity cross earrings is crafted in solid 925 sterling silver with 18K white gold plated, nickel-free, lead-free, no allergic material. At number 2 we have Fan Silver Cross Earring. This cross and hoop are eternal fashionable elements in jewelry trends. This delicate and small hoop earrings blend comes with the cross, which is punctuated with dazzling round cubic zircon. You can wear the chic hoop earrings with shiny white CZU or the focal point of the crowd. This small hug earrings is lightweight, which is no burden to your ears. At number 1 we have Hami Cross Earring. This Huggies with heart birthstone cross earrings are unique designs for people who wants personalized jewelry. These crossed angle earrings with cubic zirconia is a symbol of shiny faith. The cute crossed angle earrings are perfect to wear with your daily outfits. The cross earrings dangle would be excellent gifts for your dear wife, mom, grandma, sister, daughter, etc. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below, as this video helps you to find the best cross earrings for your need.